Kawasaki 250. This is what I'm looking at to get parts for my bike. Right here. To change up my 440. This is what I'm thinking about. Putting some of this on there. So, it may work and it may not. But I'm here in Houston checking out a couple of things. So I'm gonna let y'all know on that one. Alright, so after talking to him, the 250 lock, stock, and barrel with the title transferred into my name is $600. I haven't really decided just yet. I gotta check the auction sites. I was here really mainly. I didn't know he had that bike. I was mainly here looking for a couple of little things for 440. That was my main objective out here looking. So Kawasaki too. So yeah, that was the main reason I was out here looking for something. And also I wanted to look and see if they had a seat for that for my Honda. It's a big ass Bergman there, boy. What, 650, some shit like that? It's a big motherfucker. It's a big boy there too. That'd be sweet to bring back right there. Parts probably cost me an arm and a leg, but that would be sweet to bring back. This is like another Kawi. What is this? I can't tell, cause yeah, that's Kawasaki. I wonder if that's a 500 off. Dual carbs. Yeah, right there. That's what you can tell also. See on the right there where I just rubbed it off? That's an EX500. That box, I gotta keep that in mind. Glad I saw this. Glad I saw this relay. No good, I wouldn't mess with that. That I would try if I could get on a good price. Wish that motor wouldn't messed up. Boy, that'd be sweet, that 500 motor. I like that Kawasaki 500 motor. All right, y'all. I'm finna call this, and I got a little more looking to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank y'all.